I'm with my brother and my sister. We are now at the gym, you guys. Or in, kasi we're inside.
Hi!
We are now inside the gym, you guys. So, nasa 27th floor lang tayo, pero nalula ako dun. Oh my gosh. First time ko malula in my entire life. Luto ni Mami.
Wow.
Sinangag and hotdog, sabi po niya. Good morning. Let's check the view of the metro. This is just a few kilometers away from Eastwood City. And this is my outfit of the day.
And when the moment comes to hold each other close, we're gonna see the sparks, just like a shooting star. Look back at where we were. Now I'm so glad we're here. It took us all.
Hello everyone, and we're here at Circulo Verde. Welcome, and I will tour you in our accommodation. But before anything else, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello everyone, we're going to the gym. I'm with my brother and my sister. See you. We are now at the gym, you guys. Or in, kasi we're inside.
Hi!
We are now inside the gym, you guys. So, ayan, wala muna tayong abs dahil holiday season. And it's their full body day. So, let me just walk you through the equipments here at P3. This is the P3 level at Circulo Verde. So they have a squat rack over here with a pull-up attachment and some Olympic plates over here and some steering wheel plates over here and a weight bench over here, some dumbbells, the circular ones, triangular, yung sa bahay kasi hex eh. And here's another Olympic bar. I already used this, the yoga mat, and complete with sanitizing stuff over here and some back muscles equipments over here, the lat pull down and the wide grip attachment here. And for this one's for the quads or the hamstrings, whichever way you use that. And these are the stationary bicycles, treadmills over here, and elliptical over here, and some bench press over here. This is actually a 3-in-1. Some multiple use equipments. So, that's about it. Yan yung gusto ko kasi nakakaganda tignan sa gym yung brick wall eh, no? That's about it. We're enjoying the holidays right now, so we're in a bulking mode over here. So, that's about it. I'll see you in a bit. Like, share, and subscribe.
3 hours later.
Oh, nakakalula guys. Sobrang taas. Oh no, OMG. Ganito pala yung feeling.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness. We're on the 27th floor, you guys.
Wow.
Nasa 27th floor lang tayo, pero nalula ako dun. Oh my gosh. First time ko malula in my entire life. I'm here at the balcony of the unit that we've rented. This is an Airbnb here at Circulo Verde, North Tower. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Day 2.
Morning. Ito, hindi ka na lang ilolo. Lakas po ng ubo niya.
Kaya ako tinasabi ko, takpan nyo yan Ram. Kung tayo pinunta dito ng gabi.
Hindi naman. Ubo yun eh. Ayan, good morning. It's our last day, 29 na. Luto kami ah. Ay, ganyan. Dahil po sa ubo.
Hindi, utos ng utos. Demanding.
Ano ba naman?
30 point yun.
Luto ni Mami.
Wow.
Sinangag and hotdog. Sabi po niya. Good morning. Let's check the view. Ayan. Lawak po. Wow! Yun lang. Pasok na tayo. Tara. Flat screen TV. Magulo na yung bahay namin. That's it. Hello, andito. Tara. So this is where we're staying, guys. So this is the smart key card. You'll just tap it that way. Then it's open. Here's the first bedroom. Hindi pa na-off yung aircon. Off natin. Yan. Just take note that everybody's out already. It's our checkout day. It's the 30th of December. So this is the first bedroom. Ganda, di ba? This is the living area. Very nice accommodation. See the lights. Those are mid-century modern lights. This is the primary bedroom or the master bed. Meron pang table clock over here and Wi-Fi. Some artwork on the wall. Here's the window with a view of the metro. This is just a few kilometers away from Eastwood City. And this is my outfit of the day. It's our checkout day. This is a queen size bed. You can also weigh yourself with this scale over here. And there are board games as well. See, they have chess, Scrabble, toys, Uno, and cards for your liking. And of course, accessible drawers over here with soft closure. Soft ba yun? There's a bench under there. Pillows which say Merry Christmas. And everything is also included here with oil, fish sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, condiments, and everything. And those are the glasses, cutleries, spatulas, and meron ding Nutri-Blender dun, guys. Nutri-Bullet, rather. So here are the glasses. We've already washed everything. We also have a rice cooker over there. And that's a rice dispenser and a pitcher. Here's the mid cabinet with a kettle. And this is where you put the rice cooker as well. And there are cleaning materials here. Once again, take note that this is our checkout day. We've already used this unit already. There's a microwave oven, there's a toaster, lots of knives. Here's the freezer. Here's the refrigerator with lots of beers. Ayan, I don't know if those are for free. I think the previous guests left all of those alcoholic beverages inside. And also, Netflix is provided as well. Wow! And for the final one, the toilet and bath. That's the toilet and bath. This mop was at the balcony. We've just placed this inside for us to be able to mop the wet floor. That's the toilet roll free. Free hand soap as well. They have a bidet as well. And here I am. Here's the shower with hot and cold and some free shampoo and conditioner. And let's proceed to the balcony for the final tour of this accommodation. This is, by the way, via booking.com. It's called Make Yourself Feel at Home 2-bedroom accommodation. Yun lang yung makikita mo. Tapos makikita mo yung loob nito na merong furnitures na gold and white and gray. This is in Circulo Verde, the 27th floor. And here's the balcony over there. And the clothesline over there. This unit actually costs 10,850, good for 6 packs. That's it. If you've enjoyed this mini Airbnb accommodation tour, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below because it really supports my channel. And that's the end of this vlog. Happy New Year, everyone. Stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.